this series, we will be presenting you with the absolute best food that Rome has to offer. From classy restaurants, trattorie, osterie, enoteche, and all manner of street food from neighborhoods across the city. This part of the series will cover Prati, the quartiere which proudly hosts St. Peter's Basilica, the Vatican Museums, and the legendary Trionfale food market. I'm Tatyana from the Roman Food Tour, and in each episode, I'll be inviting a colleague along to visit 5 of the top culinary spots in the neighborhood, where we'll enjoy a variety of dishes together whilst exploring how they are prepared and executed by their expert chefs. Our first visit is situated on Via Candia, a mere stone's throw away from the Vatican walls and the museum entrance, and a few minutes walk from Ottaviano metro station. A new addition to the area, Lu Segretto offers a delicate fusion of traditional Roman dishes and contemporary offerings. The restaurant boasts a vast selection of wines and niche products where skilled in-house cocktail staff stand ready to serve behind its long bar running along the left-hand side of the restaurant, finally leading to the tidy open kitchen where patrons can observe preparations through the glass.
So how was your day today?
Fantastic.
Yes, are you hungry? I'm so excited for this.
Wow. Oh, the perfect way to get the day started. Are you craving anything in particular?
Oh, you know me. I just have to have a carbonara.
The polpette di pesce, I think that's their specialty.
Okay.
So we try something that's unique to them. And then carbonara, as you said. And then should we do a steak? We can share one perhaps.
We should share a steak, yeah.
And then we'll save room for dessert as well. Cheesecake ai lamponi e cioccolato. I hope you're hungry. that sounds good. All right, are you ready for the first antipastos? So allow me. So you get all the beautiful pink sauce underneath. Look at that. Do you want the basilico? So we're starting off with the polpetta di bacala, which is with codfish.
Codfish.
Bacala.
Salt, pepper, and a little bit of
Breadcrumbs. You have a beautiful basilico to bring some color to the plate, and then this gorgeous sauce, which I'm not sure.
It's like what it is. It's like a vodka sauce.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito. Grazie.
Oh wow.
You want to get?
It's really good.
These are my signature earrings, by the way.
Yes.
I got them at some little jewelry store here in Rome, and I wear them probably too much.
But I do want to know what's in this sauce because
Yes.
oh, beetroot. It's beetroot. So red pepper and beetroot. All right, here we go. The exciting moment.
This is exciting.
Wow.
That was
Grande,
beautiful. Bravissimo.
We do a little. Ah, do you smell that? Okay, so we gotta explain how this is made because this is probably the most famous dish of the
most
city.
famous Roman pasta dish. This is paccheri, which is kind of a big, fat, flat, square pasta.
And then we have the egg yolk, the most
Make it
exciting part.
yellow and creamy.
But there's no cream. We should
Make it
clarify.
creamy.
It's more the technique of how they mix everything together. The
Yeah.
egg yolk with the cheese.
And this is called guanciale. So this is not pancetta. This is not bacon. But
No.
it's actually the pork chunk.
The cheek of the pig in this case.
Yes. And it's spiced, and then they saute it, and they add white wine, black pepper, and pecorino cheese. Coming from the word?
Pecora, which means sheep.
Let's dig in. It looks amazing.
Buon
right?
appetito.
Buon
Let's do it.
appetito. Oops, I'm not supposed to cut my pasta, am I?
You need to leave.
So we're starting with 2 major ingredients that we really can't find them as high quality as you can right here at the source. So when you do try to make it outside of Rome, it's not having the same.
It's not gonna be the same. And just to clarify, this is one of 4 very famous Roman pasta dishes that all have the base of the pecorino romano cheese.
Exactly.
The cacio e pepe, the amatriciana, the gricia, and the one that we're having today,
The most famous.
the carbonara. And Barolo comes from Piemonte, correct me.
Piemonte, yeah. So we're in the north of Italy. We're in the Piemonte region, which is in the northwestern region of Italy, bordering France. And this comes specifically from Le Langhe. And in Le Langhe, we find some really important places, like the region of Barolo. So it's actually a region. Next to that, we also find Alba. And in Alba is famous for the truffle festival. Yeah, so every year in the fall, there's a truffle festival in Alba. The actual grape that makes the Barolo is called Nebbiolo. So this releases the perfume. This wine needs a lot of time. It needs a lot of time to open.
I'm getting a lot of tannins coming through.
It's a very tannic, very, very tannic grape. It needs a very long aging process, and it's best paired with a fatty state. The fat works with the tannins to soften them a little bit. Also, Nebbiolo is very famous for having flowery notes, so specifically roses. It also pairs really well with truffles because it's also from the land of truffles, and we like to say, what grows together goes together. Cheers.
Finish into that.
Grazie. Wow. Perfetto.
That's a balanced meal.
Yes,
Right
there it is. Outside.
It's a beautiful day. Why not?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go outside.
Perfect consistency, perfect amount of sweetness. I'm a fan. So that's 1 down, 4 to go on Best of Rome's mini-series on Prati. Please let us know your thoughts by leaving a comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming content. From all of us here at the Roman Food Tour, salute!